Assalamu alaikum students. This is our English lesson for class 5.
You have already learned about subject, verb and object in the previous lesson. Today we are going to solve worksheets number 5 and 6 related to this concept. Let's do a little recap of our previous lesson. Subject. Subject is a word which performs the action or whom the sentence is about. Subject can be a noun or a pronoun. It means subject can be a name of person, place, animal or thing, or it can be a word which is used instead of a noun or instead of a name, such as he, she, it, they. Verb. A verb is an action word. It tells about the action of the subject in a sentence. Object. An object is the receiver of the action or it answers what. Alright students, let's solve worksheet number 5. All the students kindly take out your workbooks and open page number 8. Let's read question number 1 together. Read the given sentences and write the subject, verb and object in the correct column. Now let's look at the table. Two sentences have been solved for you as an example. Rest of the sentences you need to solve it by yourself. Let's look at the examples first. Angela answered many questions. Angela is a subject, answered is a verb, and many questions is an object. Let me explain. Angela is performing an action, therefore Angela is a subject. What did she do? She answered. So answered is a verb. What did she answer? Many questions. Therefore many questions is an object. Let's look at the next example. David threw a paper airplane out of the window. David is a subject, threw is a verb, and a paper airplane is an object. Now I am going to read out the next sentences, but I want you to solve it by yourself. Next sentence is, my sister is writing a novel. Next, oh no, I lost my cell phone. Next, the rain is hitting my window. Next, be careful, that fish will bite your hand. Next, my aunt ate a burger in a fast food restaurant. Okay students, let's look at this slide. This is an answer key for question number 1. I just want you to match the answers, and in case if you have made any mistake, you can do the correction by looking at this slide. Okay, let's move to question number 2 of worksheet number 5. Let's read the question first. Fill the table to make complete sentences. Examples are given for your help. Here a table is given and it has been divided into subject, verb and object column. Let's look at the examples first. First example is, I planted a tree. Here I is written in a subject column, planted is written in a verb column, and a tree is written in an object column. Let's look at the second example. All the children is a subject, ate is a verb, and chocolate is an object. So you need to follow exactly the same criteria and make 6 more sentences. But make sure you write all these sentences correctly in the subject, verb and object column. Alright, I hope you have already solved worksheet number 5. Now we are going to solve worksheet number 6. Question number 1. Let's read this first. Read the given sentences and write the subject, verb and object in the correct column. Here, some sentences are written on left hand side. We just need to find out the subject, verb and object and write it down in the spaces given. Let's look at the first example. I will read my book from cover to cover. In this sentence, I is a subject, will read is a verb, and my book is an object. So rest of the sentences I'm going to read it for you, but I want you to solve these sentences by yourself. Now the next sentence is, the girls chased the dog across the field. Next, the robbers smashed the window. Next, I am buying a present for my sister. Next, Zara watched a sad film. And the last sentence is, Neha has closed the door. Okay students, let's look at this slide. This is an answer key for question number 1 of worksheet number 6. I have given these answers just for your help in case if you have made any mistake while solving the exercise, so you can make the correction by looking at these answers. Alright students, let's move to question number 2 of worksheet number 6. Let's read this question first. Write appropriate subjects and objects to complete the sentences. First one has been done for you. Let's look at the first sentence. Sana bought apples for her mother. So we had the verb bought. We have added subject Sana and object apples for her mother. So this is what we have to do here in this exercise. We need to add subjects and objects, whereas verbs are given. Let me read the given verbs. Likes, made, is carrying, bit, used, is cleaning, washes, watched, will give. I hope you will be able to make complete sentences by using the given verbs. Alright students, let's look at this answer key. This is an answer key for question number 2 of worksheet number 6. Just in case if you have made any mistake while solving the questions, therefore you can make the correction by looking at these answers. Okay, let's move to the assignment part of worksheet number 6. This is question number 3 and this question will be done on your grammar notebooks. Let's read the question first. Use the given verbs to make sentences of your own in your notebooks. Each sentence should have a subject and an object in it. This means this exercise is exactly the same as the previous one. So we have to add the subject and an object, whereas verbs are given. Let's read the verbs. Whistle, throw, catch, buy, take, make, send, show, open, donate. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson.